Good morning, class. So everyone can hear me or not? If you're able to hear me, please reply me one. Okay. Thank you for those who already submit the exercise, but not all submit all the questions. So now I'm going to discuss with you about some question. Okay. Few things that I need to remind you. First, okay, do not forget. Okay, let's say question number 3. Okay, when you want to check whether this one is quadratic or not, then you have to write equal sign. Uh, this equal sign is at the second step, just like the question 3a plus 5a, then equal to 8a. I cannot accept you write, if you write 3a plus 5a, then 5a. If this kind of mistake you repeat again, then I will straight away I put in wrong mark. Wrong. So no mark for this kind of question anymore. If even your answer is correct, it's also considered wrong. Then the second, standard form. Standard general form. AS squared plus BS plus C. Okay, this one do not have equal sign here or at the left and the right. So this is quadratic expression. Okay, you have to remember this is expression. If I say y equal to as squared plus bs plus c, or fs equal to as squared plus bs plus c, or as squared plus bs plus c equal to 0. Okay, you see this is quadratic, and then at the left we have the equal to something. Okay, and then at the right we have equal to something, or let's say fs is here, also never mind, and this one equal to 0. So this is equation. This is equation. The equal sign must be either the equal sign must at the middle. Must be at the middle, but this is expression. Expression. So we still need to transform it to the general form. Okay. So 4m squared minus 9. Then actually this one, if you stop here, I accept. And then you say A is 4, B is 0, C is negative 9. Okay, this one I accept. Or you can write in minus 9. Okay. Some of you answer wrongly for this question is you state C equal to 3. You have to remember, this one is 3 square. So 3 square equal 9. Okay, guys. Now 3 square equal 9. This is surgeon. This is inspector. This is inspector percubaan. Also, negative 9 is C, value of C. So this is still considered as quadratic. All right, understand or not? If yes, reply me 3. If not, reply me 4. Okay, good. So question number 4, all of you answer correctly. Because we have two variable. Your explanation also correct. So this one, very good. Okay, however, this question number 5. Okay, before I explain question number 5, I want to ask you a question. If 3/5 plus wait, 3/5 plus 4/7. How are we going to solve this kind of question? How? Is it this one times 7 times 7 times 5 times 5? Agree or not? If you agree, reply me A. If not, reply me B. Hello? Hello? Okay. So that's mean denominator will be 35. Upstairs, 21 plus 20. Then we get 41/35. Right? So we back to this question. Okay, actually, you can consider this one as this one. Then we reverse back. This means actually we can separate it into this one. All right. Then this one we simplify. This one get 3 plus, okay, this one. So 5/y and 3/y squared. Then we get 3 plus 3y power of -1 minus 3y power of -2. Okay. Then from here, okay, we know that this is not inspector. This is not inspector percubaan. Even though this is surgeon, we also don't want to accept because quadratic must be the combination. The most important thing is we must have inspector. Okay, clear or not? So this means your justification is only you state do not have the variable with the highest power, don't have the variable with highest power equal to. And the other two must also follow the standard form of AS squared plus BS plus C. Here, they break the rule is for this one and also this one. So either one did not fulfill, so it's not quadratic equation. So understand? If yes, reply me R. If not, reply me T. Okay, good. And so this one should be no problem. Just do not forget the equal sign. Do not forget the equal sign. Then this one, okay, I ask you to do it yourself because I think this one is quite easy. Okay, we actually have two ways to do this kind of question. I will explain both to you. So the first one is without the program in the calculator. Let's say I copy down this one, or this one you already in lower form or not? How are we going to find all the value here? Did you learn it before? If yes, reply me K. If not yet, reply me L. Yeah, Okay, so you're using this way, right? If fs equal to s squared plus 8n plus 13, when s equal to negative 8, so f negative 8, negative 8 squared plus 8, negative 8 plus 13. So who can answer? This one is the one you learn or not? If yes, reply me M. If not, reply me B. Is it the step that you learn? Okay, very good. So since you know this way already, so any of you know the calculation, use calculator, the method using the calculator, which is this one. You learn it or not? Kalau you pernah belajar, reply me P. Tak tahu, reply me Q. Okay, so if you don't know, now ready your calculator. Get ready your calculator. So I'm showing you. Wow. This one is going to. Okay. Right. So can you see my screen, right? My calculator, right? So if we have okay, I show you this one also. Okay, question number question number 1, right? Okay. All right. How are you going to press your calculator? Okay, first of all, any of you using the same calculator with me? If not, can you please reply me 2? You using the one black color, right? Okay, never mind if you use the other type of calculator. Also, you press on the mod. Can you see the mod? Okay, after you see the mod, wait, I try to get another calculator. Or any of you using this calculator? If yes, press reply me 9. Okay. So if you are using that calculator, so right, so I'm trying to use this one. Okay, you press on the mod. Oh, let me see. Table. Equation. Or this one. This one. This calculator I'm not really familiar with. Like that. 3, 4. Next. Okay, never mind. I try to tell you this one. Any of you using this one? If any of you using this one, can you please reply me K? Any of you using this one? Okay, if you are using this one, okay, you press more, then you see the table on number 7. Then you press number 7, you will see the FS. After you get the FS, then we just key in this equation, s squared plus 8s plus 13. So how are we going to key in? Okay, you press on alpha x, then square. Can you get it? If yes, reply me C. Then plus 8x plus 13. Okay. Then you press on enter equal. Then you get start. Start what number you start from. This means the value for S. So you see here the value for S is -8. Then you press on -8, then equal. Then end at the what number? 3. Then you press 3, then enter again. Done. If you're done until this step, reply me 5. Or any of you want me to repeat? If any of you want me to repeat, you reply me R. No need R. So step means, okay, repeat again. Yeah. Okay, first of all, like this, then you press mod, then you get 7. Okay, you get 7. Then we key in this equation. Or how we key in s squared. Then how you get s? You see here. And we have the red color s, right? Oh, Ayman, you see it? You press alpha x, then square. Can or not? Oh, Ayman? Can you read it? Okay, then it's not minus, it's plus 8s. Then plus 13. Right, Ken? Then after keying, then you double check again the equation. If correct, then you press and equal. Then start from which number for the s? -8. So -8. Then equal. Then you end at the number 3. So you press number 3, equal. Then the step. Step means, you see, -8, -6 here means two number, right? But you see, -6, -5 is 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. So for it's safe, you just press step, you keep it 1, then enter. See, now you get all the value for the fs. You see, when the s equal to -8, fs is 13. S is -6, so fs is 1. So from here you get all the number already. So you double check with your number. Clear or not? If understand, reply me P.
Mr. Ngô,
Okay,
Mr. Ngô, your screen is not.
Okay or not? Can you see now?
Yes.
Okay. Can you reach this step to get the answer? If you ever reach this step, can you please reply me K? All of you? Okay, very good. This is how we get the answer fast. Or another way is like this. Okay, when okay, I try on this one. Just back to the normal. Then you key in how you're going to key. So you press alpha x square. Okay. For those who using the black color calculator, you use this step x square plus 8x plus 13. Okay. We reach here, then you reply me G. Do not press equal. Do not press equal. So done already. For those who using the black color calculator. Hello? Hello? Can? If you reach until here, reply me K. Oh, sorry, reply me H. For those who using the black color calculator. Can? Done? If you can reach until here, okay, can. Okay, for the starting, this one no need more anything now, huh? You just press on the alpha x square. We copy down the equation 8s plus 13.
Mr. Ngô,
Okay?
your screen is not showing again.
Not sure. So yeah. Okay. Now can. So did you
Yes.
you able to key in this equation or not? For those who using the black calculator. If okay, reply me H. Boleh tak? Okay. Then you see here CALC, calculate. This button. You press on this one. So S, question sign. This means what do you want to substitute for the value for S? Let's say for the first one, S is equal to -8. So you press -8, then equal. Right? Do you get the answer or not? Or the others? Huh? You guys get the answer or not? I try again. Plus, because, think again. Okay. So I use this white color calculator lah, huh? Because it's actually the same one. My black color one, that one I think have problem. -8. So you get the thing right. Am I right, guys? If you're able to get the 13, even though you use the black color calculator, if you get the 13, reply me C. Okay? Reply me C if you get it. Okay, then you no need to re-key in the equation. You press calculate this button again. Then the next value for S is -6. Then equal. Then you get number 1. Then calculate again, -5. Then you get -2. Okay, guys? Boleh faham tak? Calculate, let's say 0. Then you get you get 13. Am I right? So all of you get the answer or not? If yes, reply me W. Okay, so I stop for the way of using the calculator. Then we continue. Okay, continue for this one. So since you have no problem to get the value anymore, let's say just now is 13, 1, -2, -3, -2, 1, 6, 13, 22, 33, 46. Okay, so few things that I need to remind you. Okay, please now remember when you block the graph, must be actual, must very what mesti yang betul-betul 13 should be at somewhere here. Then -6 is 1 is here. So this is -2, this is -3, -2, then this is 1, this is 6, 0 is 13, 1 is 22, 2 is 33, 4 is 46. Okay, after you get this one, then you make the curve, right? Okay. Okay, please remember that the curve must be very beautiful, like mine. Mesti cantik. Tidak cantik juga. Okay. Alright, so siswi cantik. So actually this one, you just after you sketch, few things you have to know. The first one, okay, for quadratic. Okay, you see this one now is no more expression. When this one is equal, we have the equal sign at the middle of something at the left and right. So if this one is fs, so this one we call quadratic function. Quadratic function. So now the x or the y-axis now we put it as fs, not y. Why not y? Because you see, fs here is fs, is not y. That's why the y-axis we have to put it at fs. So the quadratic, the shape of the quadratic will be N shape or U shape. N shape or U shape. We do not have the shape like, okay, even though the picture like sounds like this, right? So we do not have this kind of shape. If you look like the U shape, so the first one, the shape will be the U. You just write U. Understand or not? If yes, reply me M. If not, reply me N. This is the first thing. Then the second thing is what? Okay, minimum and maximum. Can you see? When we look at the N shape, like you throw a ball to the sky, then the ball will never ever go straight until the universal, right? Impossible, right? Then the ball will go up until the ball reach the highest point, then go back down. Am I right? If agree, reply me 6. If don't agree, reply me 5. Okay, can any of you tell me why the ball do not go straight to the space, but will falling down after that? Kenapa? Kenapa bola itu tak terbang sejak pergi ke space, ke angkasa lepas dia jatuh semula? Kenapa? Because of what? Very good. Because of gravity. That means no matter what kind of ball or anything, as long as still in the earth, kalau kita baling ke atas, dia akan sampai satu ketinggian maksimum. Am I right? If understand for this one, reply me P. If not, reply me Q. So you see the shape is N. Oh, that means the N shape means maximum graph. Right? Oh, and the N shape means we have the maximum point. However, the next this one we call it as U shape. U shape means kalau kita, if we stand up at the building, we throw the ball down and the ball hit the ground and then lantung balik. So this is the minimum, titik paling kecil. So U shape, we will have minimum point. No? N shape, we have maximum point. Or you can say, if maximum, if a sad face. If minimum, if a happy face. Understand? If yes, reply me K. If not, reply me L. So this one you have to remember. And then this one I need to let you know is okay. Oh, I'm sorry, I forgot to on my camera. All right. So now you can see me or not? See my face or not? Hello. Okay. Now, you see, actually, this quadratic is very interesting, Okay, so in quadratic graph, few things that we need to know. The first one is the shape. The second is the root. The third, y-intercept. The one Mark asking yesterday, and axis of symmetry. Okay, axis of symmetry and also minimum or maximum point, or point only, one point only. So for the shape, it's either U or N. How are we going to differentiate this one? Later on, I explain to you. Okay, now I explain to you for the axis of symmetry. Okay, you see, here is the minimum point. Am I right, all of you? If yes, reply me Y. If I'm wrong, reply me U. Okay, so when we have the minimum point, so that means we will have the axis of symmetry here. Axis of symmetry is the value for the x in minimum or maximum point. Let's say this point is this minimum point is this one. See, minimum point is -4 and -3, right? Right, guys? If yes, reply me Q. Oh, this one you understand now? And this is a value for x, this is a value for y. Oh, that means axis of symmetry is equal to s equal -4. You take the value for x. If you understand, reply me K. If not, H. Okay, so right, axis of symmetry is actually equation. It is a equation. What kind of equation? It is linear equation. This is linear equation. Why? Because linear equation is straight line. Okay, now every one of you, can you please look at the look at my camera? Okay, you see, now we get the axis of symmetry is like this, right? Vertical line, right? Is this vertical? If yes, reply me V. Okay, so this line, the line like this is horizontal, right? Horizontal, right? So now you look at this line, the equation of the line. Okay, this is s equal to -4. This is the equation. Why this is -4? You see the value for, okay, this coordinate. This coordinate. What is the coordinate for this one? This one is -4, 10. Okay, how about this one? This is -4, 30. This one, -4, 20. You see, if we compare the value for s and y, s and y, s and y, the value for s never change, and it is s equal to -4. Am I right? If agree with me, reply me 7. Otherwise, reply me 8. That means when we say f equal to something, f equal to something, the equation of the line and the shape of the line will be straight line, and it will be the vertical line. Vertical line. Let's say if I want you to draw a line. Yes, any question?
Just ask why the x equals to -4 is the equation for that straight line, right?
Yes. Yes.
What could it be?
Correct.
Why is it not in that standard form? The one that equals that is y equals to mx plus c.
Okay, that one later explain to you again. It is a good question. Good question. But you listen for this one first.
Okay.
Let's say another one. Let's say if I ask you to draw a line with s equal to 2. So if you see s equal to something, and the something is 2, right? So automatic, the value for s, this is a value for s equal to, so you just need to write the line like this. So this line will be s equal to 2, and the equation for this line will be s equal to, so this is vertical line. Okay, vertical line. So you just remember the straight line. This is linear equation. S, right? S equal to 2. Oh, the straight line is vertical line. Now, okay, let's say I use another, okay, this here. If I want to find the y equal to 10, okay, y equal to 10, let's say I plot this one. This is the coordinate for this one is 1, 10. This one is 3, 10. This one is 5, 10. And we compare the s and y. What value never change? Which value never change? S or y? Yes. And 10 is value for y. So if we connect all the block line, so you see the value for y never change. So this line will be y equal to 10. This is horizontal line. Horizontal, dia melintang. Melintang. If s equal to something, it's vertical. Vertical. If like this, horizontal, y equal to something. Okay, this one can understand or not? If yes, reply me 3. If not, reply me 4. Then Mark, I will answer your question. Okay, very good. So you see, with Mark asking, how about y equal to ms plus c? This is also straight line. Okay, this straight line either be going up or going down, right? You know, this one going up and going down is depends on what? What will affect the curve, the degree of the straight line? Mark, can you please answer me?
The gradient.
Yes, gradient. Okay, so if you're going up, the gradient will be positive value. When you go down, the gradient will be negative value. Okay, if you get the positive value, that means kamu naik tangga. Naik. If you get the negative, means you turun. Turun tangga. But how if you walk on the rock? Kamu berjalan atas lantai. Kamu naik turun tangga ke tidak? Are you going up or going down from the staircase? Mark? Are you going up or going down?
No.
No. So if no, then what is the gradient for this one? Since we say we're going up the staircase, the gradient is positive. If going down, the gradient is negative. How if you walk on the land?
Zero.
How much the gradient? 0. Very good. You see, when your gradient is 0, that means you do not have any pressure, right? So let's substitute n equal to 0. That means y equal to 0 plus times s plus c. So y will equal to c. So what is c? C is y-intercept, right? Mark?
Yes.
Correct or not? Okay, let's say I use this graph and I draw a straight line. Okay, so for of course, the value for C is negative 15, right? Am I right?
Yes.
Okay, now if I move the line here, is the y-intercept still negative 15?
Yes.
But yet gradient is 0. So y equal to 0, x minus 15. So y equal to negative 15. So this one negative 15.
Okay. So what if
Understand?
it's the yeah?
Sorry?
So what if it's the vertical straight line?
Okay,
Because then
vertical
it will
straight
be
line.
infinity, the
Okay,
gradient.
vertical. Yeah. When you, just now we talk about you going up, you going down, and this is oh, walk on the land. How if you, okay, kalau ini tangga, oh, ladder, this is a ladder, and then you climb out to the ladder, and then if I place the ladder until vertical, which is 90 degree, what is the gradient?
Infinity.
Yes. How do you know, Mark?
Just remember.
Oh, just remember. Okay, very good. So the gradient is infinity. So when the gradient is infinity, in the calculator, you will get the max error, right? So how we get the gradient is infinity is, okay, gradient is y, the difference between y over x. When the s is 0, that means nothing to minus, no different at the straight line, right? Hello? So
Yes.
automatic, when you get when you have the vertical line, so like if I place it here, so automatic s will equal to -1. So we do not have the value of c. You see, we do not have the intercept, right? C equal to 0. Y, when m equal to infinity, also to 0. Thank you, thank you. So this one actually cannot explain by this one, but you just remember when the staircase go to the straight vertical, we have a 90 degree. So s equal to something, the line, the straight line will be the vertical. Okay, Mark? Because you see, this coordinate is -1, -5, -10, sorry, -1, -10. This one is -1, 5. So the value for s will keep s equal to -1, right? Okay, Mike?
Okay.
Hello? Okay,
Yeah.
Then next one. So you see, the shape. What is the factor to affect whether it is U shape or N shape? Later, we will have continue again with it. So now from this one, you only learn about the axis of symmetry and maximum minimum point. This is the exercise you. I just want to enhance you so that you can get a better, easier way to get the value for this one to complete the table. And how are you going to get the value of cikgu Susanna? Cikgu Susanna. Cikgu Susanna.
Oh, dah. Oh,
Thank you.
you ajar. Saya tu ambilkan saya mau
Oh,
tahu suami saya.
oh. So for this one only we need to find these three lah, huh? Okay, now we go back to my PowerPoint. This one you all done already. Okay, now see. Okay, so fast. You can understand on that what I'm explaining today. If yes, reply me A. Am I going too fast? Okay, still okay, huh? So now, okay, let's say this is a quadratic. This is a quadratic. And if we draw the vertical line, if we draw the vertical line like this, it intersect with the curve. Let's say this one s negative 5, s equal to 2, s equal to 7. Vertical line. So we will have only one intersect for each vertical line. Am I right? If yes, reply me R. If not, reply me E. Or you don't, then reply me E. Okay, good. What will the horizontal line affect if we draw on the curve in a quadratic graph? There are three types of the line. First one, okay, this is horizontal. Here, we have two intersect. We have two. The second one, so this is first one, this is second one. Second one, we will have only 1 point. The third one, we do not intersect any point. Am I right, guys? If yes, reply me 2. If don't understand, reply me 3. Okay, this is how the vertical line and horizontal line we draw on the quadratic graph. Okay, so the next lesson I will explain to you what is the meaning of A, B, and C, and how it going to affect the graph for the quadratic. Okay. So for those who not yet complete the exercise for yesterday, you try to complete it again, and please send it to me. And for those who already done, okay, thank you, and thank you for your cooperation, because you, I really hope your batch will be more independent. That means you can do your homework by yourself, you submit the homework by yourself, and do the correction also by yourself by referring to the answer if the answer is given. Then my job is only make sure your step is correct or not, and what is your careless, what is your the things that is not correct. Okay, so thank you for your attendance today. Can we have a photo? Can we have the photo? Very quick photo, okay? Oh, thank you. Lagi. This one. Let's see. Ada lagi? Syaf, Kamaro, Adiba, Afika, Shafila. Okay lah, huh? I count until 3. 3, 2. Where's me? I myself missing already. Can you see me or not? Okay, never mind. 1, 2, 3. Okay. All right. Thank you for your attendance. So if you're not yet fill in your attendance, please do it now. And thank you for today. Thank you. Bye bye. See you next time.
Bye. Thank you, Mr. Moon.
Bye bye. Thank you.